To always show camera cutout when opening a specific app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap camera cutout. Next, select the required app you like to always show camera cutout when it's open. As the example, we will select gallery app, find gallery app, or you can easily find an app by tapping the search icon at the top right and then type the app name. Tap gallery app and then select show camera cutout. By doing this, now your phone will show camera cutout when you are opening gallery app. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.